It's your belt.
No, big belt. It's not even a belt. It's a...
No output to the face, keep it clean. Trust the reps if you want to.
Can I get some boys around the cage to hold?
You ready?
Everybody get around the cage, please.
Fight.
Let's go.
Get straight to it, boys. Hey, watch out, little dude. Watch out. Yeah, come on now. Hands up. Put that head. Come on. Oh. Hey. Oh. Yes. Look. You got timers down. That's all good. Announce every minute. Break that. Right, let's break. Yeah, there you go.
Push him. Get him up, ball. Push him. Get him up, ball.
Okay. Y'all get hype for these boys. They playing. They playing. There you go. Hey. Oh. What's up?
Work his ass, boy.
Dillion, you know what time it is. Let's go.
Break. Fight.
Good break, ref. Good break. Y'all keep hands on the cage if they come towards
Yeah, we got this.
You gotta keep your hands up, bro.
Lead. Double up.
Come on out. Don't want to do like that.
I ain't got one hand because the stop will take break.
Clean break. Let's fight.
Up top down bottom.
Come on out.
Up top down bottom.
Hit him.
Up top down bottom.
Get the numbers on you now.
Break.
Let him across. Let's fight.
Let's go.
Alright, break.
Break. Stop grabbing.
Fight. You get tagged.
Hit him. Yeah, there you go.
Stop walking into it.
More of that. Yeah.
Work his ass,
Woo, hyping up.
Break.
Hit it 30, let's go.
Yeah, I like that.
These boys are fighting, man.
Beat that nigga ass.
Hands up.
Let that love go to the body.
Minute 30 seconds.
Work his ass.
Drop, you rock. Stop dropping your left all the time.
There you go. Yeah.
Hands up and work his ass.
Come on now.
Working the combo.
This is a good fucking fight.
Get that nigga up.
Break.
Great job, guys.
Fight.
Go. Work. Put that work in, man.
Body work.
Put that work in.
Spot. Let's spot.
What about catching?
There you go. Keep going. The boys are trading. You can't hit two and stop. You gotta keep going.
Yeah, don't stop. Fight. See it coming.
Keep
You a
going.
bull, man.
Come on now.
Where's that guard, Dillion?
Everything in front of you. Let's break.
Y'all here.
See it.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Combination. Let's go. Combos. Come on. Push them. Push the cage. Break.
Fight.
Let's go. You ain't tired until you
They work.
You
Yeah.
ain't tired until you finish. Come on, work.
Knock his ass the fuck out.
Break.
1 round of 5. That's why y'all here. Y'all the best. Finish it strong.
Smart with it.
Nah, forget all that. Push him.
Work.
3, 2,
1. Break. Get to work. 3 minutes on the clock.
You ready?
No excuse.
Fight.
3 minutes. Straight to work.
Yeah,
There you go.
Guard up.
You gotta play defense here.
Keep your guard up.
Break it.
Keep your
Fight
guard
right
up.
here.
Work.
Boys fighting, baby.
Good defense. Work that movement, fool. You got it.
Keep him there.
Got it, bro.
Keep him there.
He keep wrapping you up. Fuck that shit.
Let's go, man.
Yeah, y'all are your team's doesn't fight.
Break.
Your team and a few other guys. I don't really want to go.
He's gonna dunk your shit. He's tired. He's tired. He's tired. He's tired. He is tired.
Uppercut, bro. Stay there. Don't let him push it. Don't let him push it.
Good defense.
Hit him. There you go. Circle. There you go. Put him against the game. Let's go. Yeah.
Where you want
Keep your hands up,
You a ball, Dillion. You a ball.
Fuck on that tire shit.
There you go.
In the corner.
Bulls don't fall, man. Come on.
Clean break.
He's
Fuck on that tire
tired.
shit. Hit him.
He's tired.
Finish it.
This nigga's tired.
Finish it.
He's tired.
Gotta keep his hands up.
Keep your hands up. You got that right hand all night, bro. You ain't got to rest.
Break. Fight.
A minute 30.
1 minute 30.
Break. Fight.
Breathe.
There you go. Keep going. You gotta give him something when you get there. He's blowing you.
To the body.
Like a bunch of punches. Keep working.
Fight.
Come on now.
Sir.
Come on now.
You got to hold this.
Don't get that face.
Get your space. Get out the cage.
You gotta work there. You
Don't
gotta
let him
work
hold you
there.
there. Don't let him hold you.
Gotta work there. Clean break.
I know what's wrong with it. Make him stand up. Make this nigga stand up.
Hit him in the body, Dylan.
Break.
He said break.
Break.
Oh, good.
Clean break. Fight.
Clean break.
Work it.
Let's fight, boys. Let's fight. That's why y'all here. Yeah.
Let's go. Keep your feet moving.
That's why you here.
Remember why you here.
Almost.
He gonna wet himself doing all that.
You gotta keep going.
That was slick too.
Hey, Dillion, you
Like that hand movement, Joe.
Joe.
Alright, let's break. You got it.
Take your time.
10, 9,
There you go.
8, 7.
Come on, throw some. Get up. Throw some.
Keep moving.
There you go, baby. There you go, fella. You ready? Fight.
Dylan, see, he gonna work it.
Dillion, time, work, nigga.
Get that necklace right there, bro. Give me that. No, you got. What?
Hold that. Let's go fight. Dylan did. Guard that face. Come on now.
Come on, bro.
You got it.
Throw.
Alright, break.
Clean break. Let's fight.
Come on, Dylan, throw them hands.
Push him.
You're not tired till it's over again.
Get that boy off. Use that hand you got.
Be tired afterwards. Let's go.
Low up top.
He won't let you go.
Break.
See?
Break. To the middle of the ring.
distance.
Meet in the middle.
Keep the distance.
Right there. Let's go. Now fight, boys. Fight.
Keep
Go.
the distance.
Fight.
Keep some weight on the cage. Keep calm. Fight there.
Distance.
Solid, bro.
Get tired. Wear him out.
Break.
He holds his head down and rushes. Distance game. Let
He
it go.
blocked it. Stay there, man.
Alright, break.
Watch.
Fight.
Time to fight, Dylan. Keep moving.
Throw him out for you.
Guard that face.
Throw him out. Don't let him hold you, yo.
There you go.
He gonna keep grabbing.
Break.
All right, stop hugging. Say the family reunion. Fight.
Yeah. Throw them hands.
I heard her. Come on, now you got it.
Right over the top.
You gotta fight.
Push him off. He big as hell.
Dylan, you got time till it's over. Fight your ass off.
He big as hell. Push him off him.
Get the number on you. There you go.
Keep going.
Let's fight, boys.
Uppercuts. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Break. Fight.
Another one. You know he gonna duck. Watch his duck.
It's over. Working.
Watch his duck.
Fight.
It's over. Dillion. Working.
Uppercut. Come on, bro.
Bro. Right now.
Keep your hands up.
Stop cuddling.
Guard your right face.
30 seconds.
Circle him in hand. Circle him in hand.
Fight.
Right side.
Numbers on it.
Dillion, work.
All right,
The right side of the body.
They are.
He got a
Numbers on. Keep him there.
Come on.
Right side.
Swing. Nigga, swing.
Can't let him get control like that, boy. Hit him. Move it.
Body.
You gotta put him in the corner.
My damn voice.
Isaiah, you watching?
Keep him there, Dylan. Keep him there. Fight him there. You're bigger than him. Stop letting him bully you.
Back up.
Come on, man.
Stop looking at the ground. All right, break.
Dillion, he tired.
You gotta see what's in fight.
He tired.
Fight.
You got it.
That's what I'm talking about.
2
See what's in
minutes.
Keep that belt, Dillion.
You got it. Up high, down low.
Back off. Hit him, Dylan. Keep him right there. Back off. Hit him.
Break.
However you want to throw the
Fight.
one, too.
Work his ass, boy.
He sleep. You see him. You know the time. You see him. Work. It's your time to go. It's your time to work.
Break.
You gotta
Bully him
stop.
into the corner. Bully him
Work
into
his
the corner.
ass.
Hit him in the liver.
Keep the space. Stop
A
holding
minute
on.
30.
Getting more time. Hold
Got a
on.
minute 30.
1 minute 30 seconds.
Get your space. Step out. Let him fall down. Break.
When he goes in, swing. Stop letting him grab you. Look, see?
Another one. It's open. It's open right now. Head.
Break.
Get that stomach, Dylan. He's leaving him wide open.
Work. Yep. That day.
You late with it.
Hey, man.
Oh, that's it.
Fight.
Fight.
Tom.
Work him.
Come on, dude.
Keep swinging him.
45 seconds.
Break.
Break.
Back.
Is he get the body
Fight.
shot?
Work
Stomach.
that shit.
That
nigga home with his leg.
He almost made his
Hit his ass. Hit him, boy, nigga. Beat his ass up. Beat his ass up.
Fight.
Yes, get that stomach. Get the
Got 20
stomach.
seconds, Dylan.
Stomach, Dylan.
Push him off, hit him.
Yes. Yes, Dylan. Stomach.
Push him off. If he hits that.
There you go. Yeah. Knock him out. Knockout.
Fight.
10.
9, 8, 7, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, stay back. Fight.
It's the last round. Make it a good one.
Work him. You gotta show your position here.
Keep your feet up under you, bro. When you keep your feet up under you,
That ain't shit.
Get that right side. Right side. Right side.
Back up and hit.
all right, break. Get off the cage. Fight. Get off the cage.
I got his ankle. You good, bro? Give him a minute. Give him a minute. Yeah. I got his ankle. You got it.
Come on, Dillion.
Time, you ready? Fight!
Hey, what we got on top?
Body, right side, right side,
Work him.
right side, right side.
His body open.
Right side, Dylan, right side.
You need to get under him.
Yes, Dylan,
Get under him.
Get the right arm under.
Get under him. Bro, Dylan, throw some.
Lift his head up.
Yes, sir. Oh! We need to fight. Let's go. Who wants this shit? You got a minute and 30 seconds.
Dang, I need you to work.
Yeah, if you want this, you gotta work.
Dylan, fuck him up.
Somebody needs to go down.
Fuck him up.
Let's
There you go. That was nice. Yes, under. Go back to the body. Go back to the body. Back to the body. Get that right arm under.
Yeah, he's a crazy body puncher.
Well, stop punking, damn it. Come on, y'all.
Dead ass. This boxing.
This last round, we need a fight. Somebody's got to go to sleep.
Dylan, push him off or you hit him.
Wait, there ain't no way. Dylan, stop letting the nigga grab you.
Do it down, baby. Let's go.
He loading up. He loading up.
Everything you got.
Oh,
Go around that, Dylan.
see, he want to counter you, yo.
Dylan, come on.
Don't give him no counter.
Man, just start swinging that bitch.
Swing back.
Push up, push up.
Bring that left hand downstairs. Bring it down. You the elbow. He brought the elbow back down.
Yes.
Woo!
Yes. Okay, Dylan. 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Everything is good. Let's go.
Let's make it count. No holding. Let's go. Let's go.
My phone.
Oh, for real? You got some nice shit, man. The fuck?
All
Damn.
right, both guys came out, fight hard. Winner, unanimous decision.
Yeah. Champ, man. This might not fit. Oh, yeah, my head big as fuck.
Hey, you got it, though.
30 seconds, bro. Good fight, man. That fight was sloppy as fuck. I'm not excited about that. If you want to see me fight in MMA, see me May 2nd against Dillion in Winchester, Virginia. And follow me, social media, truck, MMA _.